Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to move part to origin. So as example, I will create new design and can create rectangle in this point. Use pull tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to move this part into the origin, you can go to assembly tools and in here we can use the line tools. You can select the line and I will click at this point. Now you can click on the center of the origin. So the part will be moved into origin. Okay, I will click again at this point and then you can click into here to move into origin. Okay, that's it for a basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to move part to origin. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.